Kani gade Pati CTV.
Hakasian ka baar ka vivid chelong kan sapelong biang ya kelempong ilek ka balatep kum ka Imperial Blue Super 5-a-side Football Tournament 2017. Nadu ka arpu arterek hadu arpunyo terek mentau benai rempang Hamadan Yorohab laim kra chelong. Habakren bar kinong patai ko bor ba John Wankar bolong wei ni kinong penya jong ni kelempong. Ringkat ka jiran lang ukroni ilek ka jela Umar lengki suting. Ubalong ru brand ambassador ulapan pau ba kani kelempong kalong sibenta ban play lat dikirang ilek ka balapalat de ka arpwes nem karta. Bikin yo alat ban pen iyalah kasab ilek ka jungki. Kakusna makani kelempong kanlong lai pesan hajar tingka na kementa ka kanhon kaban khori ka nam nado. Kat ba ka kanhon kaban wan baar kan yo arpesan hajar tingka. Bar ka kanhon kaban jab ya kanam balai kan yo kasan hajar tingka rengkat ki trophy. Ki bor penya ikla pen khre ru ya ki kusna bakarpang na kementa kirang ilek ka simen. Kum ya kanam best player, best goalkeeper but top scorer. Hakaba kin yo marsan hajar tingka marwe.
This event is happening from the 22nd to the 25th of Feb 2017. The venue will be Maran Yoringhab, Laimkra. The tournament will be on a knockout system. The age group, this tournament is actually open to all above the age of 21 years. And the duration of the game would be 10 minutes for each half with a 2-minute interval, and the semis and the finals will be played at 15 minutes for each half with 5 minutes interval. And the entry for the participation team is 500 per team, and we have no limitations in the number of participation from each locality, clubs or individual participation. And the prizes, like I've said, it's going to be cash, trophies and certificates.
Kani gade Pati CTV.